Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 61 of building the Batmobile Tumbler. In this issue, we're doing some bits with spoilers and vents and things, but when the going gets tough, you know what the tough do. They go shopping or something, don't they? I think. Can't remember. Then we're looking at Batman versus Dracula. That would be quite interesting. Yeah, I might read about that. That sounds quite cool. There you go. If you want to read that, feel free. Pause and look at the words. But the building, that's what I'm here for. So yes, this is, what does it actually say? It's the left aileron. Aileron. Yeah, things planes normally have, but this is a car that's got them. So a little bit of fiddly stuff to do, but we'll get that done. And then we're building that onto the part that we were dealing with last time. I think then we're going to do another one on there, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. So lots of stuff to do. Let's get straight to it. So supplied in this issue, we've got 4 different types of screws. A new screwdriver, which is a smaller version of what we've already got, basically. We've got the part from last time that we're going to be attaching things to. We've got these 3 gold strut things, 1 bracket, and 2 parts to the aileron. And in here is a very tiny bar, which will be holding things together. Let's they are there. That's not it. That's just a little piece of wood. So yes, there we have a little tiny bar. Don't lose it, because there we go. So first up, we are attaching that to this one, going in here, and we have 61F. What's the difference between E and F? It's not that bit. One of those two. Which one? I'm going to have to have a closer look and see. But basically, the bar goes through there, and that goes through there. And the bracket will hold it in place with 2 screws. I'm going to do that bit behind the scenes because it's very fiddly and I don't want it to ping everywhere, and I need to track down which one of these 2 it is. So let's get that bit done. And then basically we need to buckle it up with the bit on the other side. So let me see that and see you in just a sec. Okay, there we go. That's that assembled in there. That doesn't go over there. It's only the 2 halves that hold that together, which is just where I needed to do it behind the scenes. But that's now in there. It's very loose, but it's attached. So now we need to get these bits together. Dug out this from a while back. I thought it was a underneath bit, but it might be a top bit. So that's going to be attached to this piece that we were dealing with last time, like so, with 2 CM screws, which they've very kindly provided again. Get 2 of those out, put 1 back. We only need 2. They will go through there like that, and the other one obviously through that bit. Get those tightened up so they're nice and secure. And that one, I like it. It's coming together. It's starting to look a bit like bits of a bit like a stealth fighter, but that's what the Batmobile looks like. Then this piece goes through there, that way round, apparently, like that. There's little notches that it sort of attaches into around there, and then that sticks through that hole. And then we need to put that on there through that bracket that we've got there. I need to get it the right way round. I think is that way. Right, so that's that way. I've got to hold this from the other side because obviously otherwise it's going to try and escape. So yeah, that's going to go on there like that, I believe. I'll double check. I need to get the screw out to go through there to hold that together as well. And then, yeah, more screws to hold. Oh, this bracket then goes through in there, because this is going to up tell which way around the hole is on that. But anyway, that's going to attach on there at some point. I think that goes around that way around. Ah, yeah, because that's going to attach down onto there. So that's going on there like that, like that. So let me get that done. I can't hold it all while I'm doing it all. And then we'll see about the last bit. Right, yeah, that was fiddly and faffing, but I got there in the end. So that's now through, attached to this bit that I don't know if it's going to move or something, but in theory it's hinged, so it might be able to. But first of all, we've got to put the other bracket in on the other side. It goes down here and attaches there and there, with that being locked in place on the end there. We've got 2 more screws to put in there, one through that bit. Come on. One there, and one through the other post. Just the same as I did on the first side that you didn't see. That went through here, much the same. I wasn't expecting this to be at this much of an angle. But obviously that's where it should be, that's where the holes line up. So that is that. Those both tightened up. Slightly better screwdriver for that bit. I'll get it tightened up behind the scenes. But that is that. Yeah, there's some movement there. And that's when that is really moving. It is, I don't know. I'm going to have to play around with it and figure out what's what. But once I get that tightened up in there, that should be okay. And that will be where that is. So that's that. Another issue done. Join me next time when I think we're going to be putting a second one on in front of it, I believe. Somewhere around there. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.